How to log in Windows 10 or 11 PC using Microsoft account. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, first of all, you need to go to your taskbar at the bottom. Then you are going to see your Windows icon. Right click on it, then go to settings. Then go to accounts. Then ensure that you have selected your info here on your left. Then you will be able to see your info here. So in order to log in Windows 10 or Windows 11 using your Microsoft account, you are going to click on this link here, sign in with the Microsoft account instead. Click on it. Then you are going to sign in using your email, the one that you used to create your Microsoft account. So I'm going to enter my email here. Then click on next. Then you can choose a way to sign in. You can use face, fingerprint, PIN, or security key. You can use password or email. So I'm going to choose email. Then a code is going to be sent to my email. So I'm going to go to that email and write the code here. Then click on sign in. Then enter your Windows current password. So I'm going to do that. So after you have entered the password, one more step, use Windows Hello to finish setting up your Microsoft account on this device. So click on next. So here you are going to enter your Windows PIN or password. So I'm going to enter the PIN here. And as you can see, the Microsoft account has been added. So whenever you'll be signing in into your Windows account or into your PC, you'll be using your Microsoft account to sign in into your Windows PC. So that's really it, guys. That's how to sign in or to log in into Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC with Microsoft account. I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.